I have never had a career outside of working in the hospitality industry. When I was 15, I got my first job at the Muffin Shop in Marblehead, Massachusetts, and I was in boarding school. So obviously I had to go to college because my parents were like, you have to go to college. Cooking to me is what I feel most confident in doing. It's where my personality shines through the most. I don't withhold a lot of insecurity, and I'm definitely a yes person. When it comes to recipes and using prunes, I find them to be incredibly great with a hearty, fattier meat, because there's something about that sweetness that becomes sticky and glazy and just unctuous and beautiful. It's a fruit, to me, that is not too sweet, so it doesn't overpower. It also has a consistency to it that creates depth and texture in foods. It can go either way. It can go savory or sweet, and it's just a versatile product. I also like that there's no seeds or pits in them. You know what I mean? Like, cuts down on my work. There's just so much that I've found you can create using prunes, and that's been really exciting because it is a unloved fruit, which is a shame. I just feel like they need to be treated with respect and used properly, and they're one of the most versatile ingredients I have.